Christian, you're fucking strong, bro. Okay, wait. You need help?
The line over here on this side.
I'm recording, wait. Let's go. She's all loaded up. We're just gonna go home and do the unboxing there because there's a lot of trucks right here at the warehouse spot. So we're gonna unbox Christian's new motor. Oh, perro!
Sorry, I was trying to figure out what the hell these guys were doing.
Yeah, they're just fucking, I don't know.
City workers.
Haciéndose pendejos, güey.
Probably.
You know, making that money.
Your tax dollars.
My tax dollars at work. Da da da! The mystery box is here. You excited, Christian?
Yeah.
You don't fucking seem excited. Wait, no mames. Wait.
I'm just waiting.
You need more fucking Rockstar.
I'm just waiting, and I'm still trying to wake up.
Let's fucking do it, wait. The moment we've all been waiting for. Ah!
So, whatever.
The reason why it's in a box is because the guy that we bought it off from, he said he was gonna ship it out to Florida. Florida or where?
Florida.
And then some other guy came.
Guy from Texas.
From Texas, and I guess the seller, like, the thing is that since it was like in that weird ass driveway, like not everybody wanted to fucking pull it out. They were scared of that shit, but you know, Philly's toes fucking don't give a fuck. ¿Qué pedo? What the fuck? Bro.
I missed the step.
Wait, I don't have insurance, way for fucking pinches.
Yeah, that hurt.
Yeah? If you fucking fall and break a leg, way, that's on you, way.
Alright.
Oh, wait. Let me add some fucking suspense music. Alright, you guys ready? Fuck it. Mames. Wait. ¡Ay, perro! Pinche Chris, güey. No mames, te vas a matar, güey. This is too much for you, güey.
He wasn't lying.
This shit might be too much for Christian.
He wasn't lying.
What?
This is a great interview.
Hey, güey. I think I need one for my car, güey.
Fuck no.
Christian, güey.
Yeah.
I'm accepting donations for my car. Sweet. A ver, ¿qué más? It's got a drive shaft, but I don't think you need that shit, huh?
I don't think I need it. He said this was the...
A ver, open it.
He said that was the...
Vamos a ver.
Yeah.
Oh, perro!
Fuel regulator.
Fuel regulators.
From who?
Sard.
Ooh.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
It's an okay one. Oh, and it's blue, eh?
Yeah. Nice. This is the hardware.
Oh, for the fuel rail.
Pigtails. And the injectors.
What kind of injector are those, man?
Bosch. No, Denzo's. Denzo's.
Well, what's 850cc? It's not bad.
But it does have a tile blow off and wastegate.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you see it through here?
You can barely see the letter.
Oh yeah, it's got a tile wastegate. And then tile blow valve. And then the turbo is a precision gateway? 62, 63?
62, 66.
Ah, cabrón.
Yeah. 62, 66. And he said it only had like 300 miles on it.
Do you have a flathead, way? Let's open it. Let's check the blades, way. Oh, it comes with the downpipe.
Yeah, everything.
Downpipe.
Like I can literally just put this in the car right now.
Nah, wait, nah, let's not do that, way. You need a transmission, bro. How are you gonna run this shit with an auto trans?
It has an auto trans on it.
Fucking shit. Christian, no mames, way, do it right.
It's gonna be like a month or two.
Christian keeps telling me, hey, wait, do your car right, wait, do your car right, and then he's trying to put it on like that with the fucking auto trans. No mames, Christian.
It's gonna be like a month or two before I get enough money to get a R154.
It was way better fucking start selling that ass way. I got $5 way.
When I can just throw this in there, sell everything from that one, and then hopefully I can make it
no
faster.
says way. No says way. I would fucking. Wait, why are we gonna fucking work double way? Just fucking, just drift it automatic way. Chinga su madre.
Hey, you know there's somebody that actually does that?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, wait, let me fucking go charge this, my fucking, the battery on the camera's dying. Let me just go get another camera way. A ver, so, what was in this box? So these are the fronts, Supra twin turbos.
Yeah.
Nice. And these are the rears.
Those are the regular GS rears.
Stock rears. But shit, it is a precision turbo.
Yeah, it is.
See it right there. Precision.
What? That was you.
Christian's face, he's happy.
Fuck yeah, I'm happy.
Nah, wait, don't put it on like this way.
Yeah, no, it's gonna go on there like that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, so will this shit fit with the tranny that you have now?
Yeah.
Oh. A ver.
The reason I wanna use that one is because
holy shit. Pinche Chris.
the reason I wanna use the other one is because the other one has the Tiptronic button stuff. This one doesn't.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, this one doesn't. Because I don't see it in there. There's the stock one. What do I need this thing for?
A ver, no. Might look like stock.
No. Boost controller. No.
Esta pinche bomba, güey, no mames. Two stage. The fuck is
It's
that?
a boost controller.
Oh yeah, boost controller.
Two-stage boost controller. Yeah.
Yeah. It's trash, way. Give it to me. I'll throw it away for you, way.
Everything's trash.
I don't see no gauges, way. Acá están los, way. It's only one pinche gauge, way.
I like. Only one? Air fuel ratio?
Yeah.
Fuel ratio.
There it is. So we got fuel pump, rotors, calipers, that's mine, and then fuel system shit.
What?
Huh? Nothing, way. Aquí nomás, way, you know, chilling. He ripped off the line for the AC. Fuck, that shit smells, bro. Christian, you're fucking strong, bro.
Hey, wait.
Okay, wait.
Line over here.
You need help?
The line over here on this side.
I'm recording, way.
The line, fool.
Which one?
Esa que acaba de romper.
Oh, the one that ripped. Rip? Maybe if I let go of the camera, way, we can probably do it.
Maybe, yeah, maybe.
Hold it. Yeah, it is a T4, but they use that spacer way and then just welded it to turn the turbo a little bit to the side. Look at this mamada way.
I can do better than that. Fuck. Oh, it's not even fully welded. Oh, okay. Nice.
So we lifted it up with the hoist and we put the dolly in the bottom so we can roll it out. Those are two bottom pallets. Got the motor on the dolly, and then we got the, I don't know, chassis, front end, whatever. We're gonna go scrap it right now, and hopefully Christian buys lunch.
How about lunch?
I'm fucking dying, way.
I don't know.
What was once a box
No.
is now trash. Ay, wait, the fuck?
30 pieces, I think.
Like 50. Alright, fuck it, let's do this. So today Christian's gonna teach us how to wash an engine. Chale más, güey. Hey, güey. He's gonna teach us how to wash a trailer too.
oil.
Christian got my trailer dirty, so he's gotta wash it.
Yep. I don't think this thing is ever broken.
Lávala bien, güey, lávala bien.
Damn, the trailer looks red again.
So this is how not to wash your engine. Look at all that pinche grease.
That shit that was there didn't work.
Sorry about that, guys. I was away.
You're holding over there the camera away.
Fuck. Just set it right there, way. Mira, on the edge. And then I'll drop it. You got it? Te vas a matar, güey. Or does that shit fucking just slide off and fucking hit a car or something? Alright, I'm gonna help him out.